How to remove My AI on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove My AI on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to remove My AI on Snapchat from your chat feed, it is very simple. All you have to do is, first of all, just go ahead and open the Snapchat application here. Once you launch the Snapchat app, just come to the chat page by tapping the chat icon over here, and then you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is, if you actually find My AI, which is right at the very top, so let me just go ahead and then search for My AI over here, right? So I'll just go ahead and then search for the My AI option. Once I go ahead and basically, let's say, send a message to My AI, what the issue over here is that it is actually coming at the top of my feed, and if I want to unpin My AI, it is very simple. Long press on My AI option, go to chat settings, tap on clear from chat feed. Now you might not find this option. That is because my Snapchat application is Snapchat Plus, which means I have the premium version of Snapchat. If you want to be able to remove My AI, you need to have Snapchat Premium. So if I tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen here, and then if I go to Snapchat Plus section, then right over here you can see I have got Snapchat Plus, and I can choose to pin or just unpin My AI from my chat feed. If I just turn off this toggle over here, My AI is going to get removed. That's all it takes to remove My AI on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.